Hey guys, so this is the update of our water storage system, which you can see here in action. They will be using it, so I'll show you. It's the one. Now we're going to wash our windshield so that it'll be clean. All right, so that's it. The water storage system has been a success, although not totally because we haven't got the pressure work yet because of some gasket issue. But using with the gravity, it works fine. What you've seen that a while ago, it wasn't really good flow just because of the level, and also the water is almost running out because we've been using it the whole time since we got here. So it's very useful when you need to wash your hands, wash the tables, or anything you need to wash to get yourself constantly clean. So yeah, it's been very handy, and we're able to give the dog water. Our dog loves it when we spray water, and they love drinking it rather than drinking in their bowl there. So again, there's a lot of uses, and it's been very useful for us to have this. So it's very simple and affordable, and we'll be making more video out of it in action because I got busy earlier or yesterday. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video.